Good morning, dear children. I hope you are fine. In these lockdown days, we are going to start our online classes. I am welcoming you to a new academic year. This online classes is a new method to you. Don't worry, we are here to help you. Today, we are going to discuss the first chapter, Knowing Our Numbers, from class 6th. We enjoyed working with numbers in our previous classes. Children, do you remember that? We have added, subtracted, multiplied and divided them. We also looked for patterns in number sequences and done many other interesting things with numbers. In this chapter, we shall move forward on such interesting things with a bit of review and revision as well. The first topic is comparing numbers. Let us check how to compare numbers using some example questions. Example 1. Find the greatest and smallest numbers. The numbers are 4536, 4892, 18, 382. As we have done quite a lot of this earlier, let us see if you remember which is the greatest and smallest numbers among these. Children, how to identify the greatest and smallest numbers among them? We just need to look at the number of digits and found the answer. The greatest number has the most, lakhs or thousands, and smallest is only in hundreds or in tens. So, in our question, first we will find the greatest number. I think you got the answer. In 4536, we have 4 digits and the greatest place value is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So it has 4 thousands. 4892 has 4 digits and the greatest place value is thousands. It also has 4 thousands. 18 has 2 digits and it is in tens. 382 has 3 digits and the greatest place value is hundreds. So, 18 and 382 are smaller than 4536 and 4892. Is it no? Now, we need to compare 4536 and 4892 to get the greatest number. Tell which is greater. Here, the numbers has the same number of digits. Further, the digits at the thousands place also equal. What do we do then? We move to the next digit. That is to the digit at the hundreds place. Here, in 4536, in hundreds place, we have 5. That is, it has 5 hundreds. In 4892, the digit in the hundreds place is 8. That is, 4892 has 8 hundreds. So, the digit at the hundreds place is greater in 4892 than in 4536. Therefore, 4892 is greater than 4536. So, which is the greatest number? 4892. Now, we need to find the smallest number also. Which is the smallest number, children? Here, the smallest number is 18. because it has only 2 digits and the greatest place value is tens. So the smallest number is 18. Now we got the greatest number and smallest number among these numbers. The greatest number is 4892 and the smallest number is 18. Example 2. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. The digits are 2, 8, 7 and 4. Children, do you understand the meaning of the question? In question, it clearly mentioned that we can't repeat digits. That is, we can use a digit only one time and need to make smallest and greatest numbers. Children, can you guess the answers? Observe clearly, we need to use all the digits for making greatest and smallest number. First we will check which is the greatest number. Okay. Among 2, 8, 7 and 4, the greatest digit is 8. So we need to write 8 first. Then the greatest digit is 7, then 4, then 2. So the greatest number is 8742. We used all the digits given in the question. Now we need to write the smallest number. Children, how to find the smallest number? It is easy. If you write the reverse order of the greatest number, then we will get the smallest number. That is, smallest digit is 2, then 4, then 7, then last 8. So which is the smallest number? 2478. Okay, we used all the 4 digits given in the question and we made the greatest and smallest number. Do you understand? The next topic is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. That is, in shortly we can say small to big. Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Shortly, big to small. Now we will check one example question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Children, do you know to read the numbers? I hope you know to read the numbers since we studied reading of numbers in 5th standard. Is it no? So you also read with me. The numbers are 9801, 25,751, 36,501 and 38,802. First we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we already discussed ascending order means arrangement of numbers from small to big. So we need to identify the first smallest number among these numbers, then the next smallest number and so on. Children, how to find the smallest number among these? By using the place value, you can identify the smallest number. Here in 9801, we have 4 digits and the greatest place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here it has 9 thousands. In second number, it has 5 digits And the greatest place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So 25,751 has 2 10,000s. In 36,501 we have 5 digits and it has 3 10,000s. In 38,802 also has 5 digits and this number also has 3 10,000s. So among these numbers, which is the smallest number? 9,801. What is the reason? By comparing these four numbers, 9,801 has the least number of digits, also the least place value. So the smallest number is 9,801. So we will write the first smallest number 9,801. Now we need to select which is the next smallest number among these three numbers. So we need to look among these three numbers which number has the least 10,000s. 25,751, it has 2 10,000s. 36,501 has 3 10,000s and 38,802 has 3 10,000. So which number has the least 10,000s? 25,751. So the next smallest number is 25,751. Next we have only two numbers balance. Here the digit at the 10,000 place are same in both. Is it not? Here also 3 10,000s, here also 3 10,000s. So we need to move to the next digit, that is to the digit at the thousands place. In 36,501, thousands place we have 6. In 38,802, thousands place we have 8. So which number is the smallest number? The digit at the thousands place is smaller in 36,501 than 38,802. So the smallest number is 36,501. 36,501 and the last number is 38,802. So we arranged the numbers in ascending order. Children, did you notice the question is already in ascending order? Now we need to arrange the same numbers in descending order. So we already discussed descending order means arrangement from big to small. Here we already arranged small to big. So if you take just the reverse order of ascending order, then you will get the descending order. So which is the greatest number among these numbers? It is 38,802. 38,802. And the next greater number is 36,501. Next number 25,751. And the next number is in this order is 9,801. So we arranged the given numbers in both ascending and descending order. Children, for your understanding, one more time I would like to say ascending order means arrangement of numbers from small to big. And descending order means arrangement of numbers from big to small. Okay. The next topic is place value and expanded form. In earlier classes, you have already learned about place value and expanded form. Let us recall it. Okay. First question. read and expand the following numbers. So first you need to read the numbers. After that you need to expand the numbers. Children, how to read the numbers? Already we discussed. By checking the place values, we can read the numbers. Okay, we will check A. Here we have 8 ones, 7 tens, 2 hundreds and 5 thousands. So how to read the number? 5278. Is it no? 5278. Now we need to expand the number. Expanded form means the biggest form. By using the place value only, we can able to expand the numbers. So in 5278, which is the greatest place value? Shall we check? Okay. 8 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place and 5 is in thousands place. So here we have 5 thousands. That is 5 into 1000. Is it correct? So while writing expanded form, first you need to write the digit. After that, under multiplication, you need to write the place value of that digit. Then you need to put plus sign. 5 into 1000 plus, which is the next digit? 2. 2 is in which place value? 2 is in hundreds place value. So 2 into the place value 100. Then which sign we need to put, children? We need to use the plus sign. 7. The next digit is 7 into. What is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is 10. So we need to put 10. Then we need to use the plus symbol. After that, the last digit is 8. 8 is in which place value? Into. 8 is in ones place. So 8 into 1. Explain again. If you need to write the expanded form, first you need to write the digit, then into the place value of that digit, plus next digit into place value, plus next digit into place value, and so on. Okay. Now, what is 5 into 1000? 5 into 1000 is 5000. Plus, what is 2 into 100? 200. Then plus, what is 7 into 10? 70. Then this plus, what is 8 into 1? 8. So the expanded form of 5278 is 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. While discussing one more question, you will clearly understand what is meant by expanded form. Okay, let us check the next question. Children, first you need to read the number. How to read this number? By checking the place value, you can able to read the number. Do you know the place values? We will start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So in this number we have 8 ones, 7 tens, 2 hundreds, 5 thousands and 4 10,000s. So how to read the number? We can read it as 45,278. After reading the number, you need to write the expanded form of this number. already told you, for expanding the number, first you need to write the digit, then into the place value of that number. Then you need to put the plus sign. Then the next digit into place value, then plus sign, and so on. Okay, we will check how to write the expanded form of 45,278. Here, the first digit is 4. So you need to write the first digit. Then you need to put into sign. Then you need to write the place value of 4. Already we discussed 4 is in which place value? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So 4 is in 10,000's place value. 4 into the place value 10,000. Then which sign we need to put? Yes, we need to put plus sign. Then the next digit. The next digit is 5 into place value of 5. Place value of 5 is 1000. Then you need to put the plus sign again. Then the next digit. 2 into place value of 2. 2 is in hundreds place. So into 100. Then you need to put plus sign. The next digit is 7 into place value of 7 is 10 plus. The last digit is 8 into place value of 8. 8 is in ones place. Okay. Now we need to multiply and we need to write the final answer. That is the expanded form of 45,278. 45,278 is equal to, what is 4 into 10,000? 40,000. Then plus 5 into 1,000? 5,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 8 into 1, 8. So the expanded form of 45,278 is equal to 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. If you add all these numbers, you will get 45,278. Okay children, so we are winding up today's class. I hope you understood what we discussed today. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubt with me. I am ready to clear your doubts. Thank you.